ZCD, this is Lady T, ZCD, coming back at you with a video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make a quick smoothie to go. I am dressed to go work out. Y'all know we've been in a pandemic. We've been in the house pretty much for 2 years on and off, trying to stay confined and safe at home with the different viruses that are out there lurking. Okay, so with that being said, with me, I picked up a good 10 plus pounds with COVID and being in and out, just eating holidays and all this good stuff. So now I'm ready to slim down, just tone up, and just become healthier. Not about weight loss, just about me being healthier, feeling better, feeling comfortable in my clothes, that type of thing. So my goal right now is to just drop 5 or 10 pounds, taking it slow, pulling back on the eating, making my plate smaller, eating healthier, cutting out the sweets, cutting out, a lot of sodas and stuff. So wasn't drinking a lot of sodas anyway. But anyway, that's the purpose of me getting back in the gym. That's right. I'm headed to Planet Fitness or LA Fitness. I have 2 memberships, so it shouldn't be any excuse now that is trying a tiny bit to warm up. I don't know, some areas are still getting snow. We may have a blizzard at any moment here in Atlanta unexpectedly. So, but it's not going to stop me nevertheless. I'm trying to work on me. So let's get into this smoothie that I'm trying to make. It's quick. It's impromptu. I don't have no recipes or nothing like that. Y'all, this is what Trina does for herself to make it easier on me. And I'm about easy breezy, okay? So let me show y'all how I got it set up. And let me just show you the ingredients, because I got y'all rigged up here and I don't want to mess you up. I'll fall, tip you backwards. Okay. This is the protein powder that I use. Turn it around this way. This way. That's it. And so I picked this up at Sprouts, easy breezy to go and run up to it right close to my home. And it's a vegan protein, and so it's good. It only has 12. It has let me see, not 12, but 20 grams of protein. It's really, really good, and it lasts a long time for me. So I'll be using that. And I start off with some water and ice. Now you can use milk if you like. I do have almond milk, but I'd rather just use water and ice. So I go ahead on, and this is my first time doing this type of video, y'all. Let me y'all just bear with me. But I'm going with the flow. I ain't perfect, y'all. Y'all know me. Keep it in read. So it has a little scoop inside. So you scoop how much you want out. I don't ever do a whole scoop. That's a little bit too much powder for me, and I don't like mine's powdery. So I kind of like do a half of it, half of scoop. So you remember, we do need protein, so a whole scoop is fine, but I just want to do less than a whole full scoop. So I will put that inside my little water here, my little to-go mug, and I'll let y'all see that in just a minute. Hold that up. See, that's how that looks. Again, it's gonna be blended all in. It's no rhyme or reason what to put in first, second, third. And then I will have my fruit. Now in this fruit is raspberries, blackberries, and a slice of avocado. So I'll let y'all see how pretty that looks. So let me go ahead on and scoop that in. Ain't nobody draining it but me. I'm gonna get a phone, y'all know. Impromptu. Let me go on and pour that in there. They've been rinsed off, my berries. Berries are good for you. It keeps your sugar level down. The avocado is good for you because it's a good fat, and it's good for you to keep your levels and glucose down as well. So I poured that in there, and that's how that looks. And so I also use seeds. Now seeds are good for you as well. I use the flax seeds. And I got this from a whole food, but a health food store. And I've had this for a while, and I keep these in the refrigerator. So these are kind of expensive. You buy one, get one free. This is my last one I had. I've already gone through one. You can put this in food. You can put this in shakes or whatever. It's good for you. So I just sprinkle a little bit of that inside. You don't need a lot. Because again, I don't want mine to be tasting like, you know, a whole bunch of seeds, and you can just taste every ingredient. Now, also I use chia seeds. Now, you can pick these up at Kroger's or any grocery store. These type of seeds are good for you. So I just go ahead and open that up, shake some of that in there. Not too much. Avocado on my finger. Love that. My hands are washed, y'all. Don't trip. Okay, so this is a little gadget. Let me see how this works. Okay, so this came as a set. I have a mug with this and like a pitcher of a regular blender, okay? But with the blender set, this came with it to make a smaller one, a personal individual smoothie or whatever you want to make, juice or whatever, to go, you know, mix up and go. So this is what I'm doing because it's just me. My husband does not, you know, he ain't interested. That's a grits and egg, man. He wants bacon and egg. I digress. So that's screwed on top right here. And I think I got enough liquid in there. Sometimes if you don't have enough liquid, it gets kind of thick, too thick. I don't like mine too thick, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Let me just try it first and see what's happening. Kind of shake it up a little bit. I know it ain't leaking, so I don't want to make sure it's not nothing coming out when I start. Just shake it up a little bit. Now that looks like it's enough for me to enjoy. Set it on top, turn it on. Don't need much because I already, you know, had a liquid in it anyway. So that's how that looks. That's enough for me to enjoy for my little breakfast. I also take, you know, vitamins and stuff too, especially when I'm not eating a breakfast, a full meal, and I'm going to go to the gym. So just take that top off, set it to the side. That's how that looks. It has a lid to it. Very convenient. You can use a straw if you would like. And you just screw that on top. And you're ready to go. Easy breezy, quick. Turn it, making sure that I don't like no spillage of nothing, you know, in the car and all over the place. You be thinking it's on tightness and you know, it's spilling. So yeah, that's how that turned out. Easy breezy, about 8 ounces, a little bit more. And it's all good stuff. Nothing that's gonna, you know, blow my sugar up and all that, caffeine and all that. I don't need all that. Again, I'm trying to stay healthy. I'm trying to, you know, I ain't trying to be a vegan or nothing like that. But I gotta cut out all the sugar and all this, you know, meat, and you know, it's just too much. And then when I'm not moving, y'all know me as the Zumba queen. I used to be the Zumba queen. I ain't been a Zumba like a good ever since the pandemic. So I got to do something, and this is what I decided to do. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It's something different for me, and I made it through. So I appreciate you guys commenting below, watching. Hit that notification bell if you would like more upcoming videos. I'm trying to do 3 a week. And what else? Share, like, subscribe. Hope you guys decide to subscribe, the ones that have not done already. And thank you guys for holding me down, all my old subscribers. I'm jumping off. Goodbye.